Here's how I cut 15 hours off my weekly digital marketing tasks, even as a complete tech beginner. Let me show you something wild. I was spending 25 hours a week doing basic digital marketing tasks, posting, scheduling, analyzing. It was exhausting. But then I discovered something that changed everything. Most people think you need to be a tech genius to automate marketing. That's what I thought too, being over 40 and not exactly a digital native. But here's what's crazy. I found a way to automate 80% of my weekly tasks. Using simple tools a 10-year-old could understand. No coding, no tech degree. Just point and click. The results? I went from 25 hours of manual work to just 10 hours per week. That's 60 hours saved every month. But here's the best part. My campaign started performing better because I wasn't burning out, trying to do everything myself. Now I help other professionals over 40 do the same thing. One of my students, a former sales manager who could barely use Facebook, automated his entire content calendar in just one afternoon. Think about it. What could you do with 15 extra hours a week? The real question is, will you keep doing things the hard way, or are you ready to work smarter? Stop letting tech run your life. Start using it to take back your time. Let me show you how.